Number 2 to Guzman. 10 to Shi. Number 28 pass to number 15. Pasok. Hindi kita. Number 10. Now number 15 pass to number 9. Number 9 agad papasan. Baba. Number 28. Kamula yun. Bumanggagi pa sa blind. Now number 71 pass to number 15. Number 15 to Guzman running to the block. Number 71 pass to number 17. Back to number 71, back to number 17. Pass to number 15, pass to number 9 on the side. Pasok. Ganda naman nun, kaso wala. Down to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 2 to Guzman. Pasok. Deadlock, all 6. Number 17, a Mancho. Pass to number 9 on the side, Sublime. Now on to number 15. For the shoot. Good job. Good for 2 to number 9. Number 9, Flores. Pass to number 38. Pass to number 5. Sublime. Goalie number. Lamar. Goalie number 38, pass to number 9 on the running, pass to number 5, Machine. It's still traveling 5 minutes and 15 to shoot. Number 71, back to number 17, pass to number 10. Nawala ang Balarna on number 14. Number 14, Valenzuela. Wait, first show. Sublime. Astro. Pasok. Number 17, a Mancho. Number 17, 15 to shoot. Pass to number 71 on the side. Pasok. Score. Takin-takin po yung damit at bagong pasok. Number 18, Slide, goalie number 14, pass to number 9 on the right, pero niya, pasok. Number 10, dito niya Sublime, ako ni number 14. Number 38, pass to number 9. Pass to number 14, Valenzuela, may pasabit pa. Basket count and foul. Committed by number. Bonus shot. Number 20, Tobias. Pass to number. That's an offensive foul by jersey number 1. First personal foul. Deadlock tayo, all 11 for deadlock of the game. Number 38, pass to number 5. Number 71 on the running, number 71, pass on the side. Good for 2, jersey number 10. Number 71, pasok. Number 38, Khalil. Number 38, nasundan pero pasok na lang. One nice fit by jersey number 14. Boss Putas. 15-14. Reserve po. Number 38, pass to number 5. Foul to my jersey number 5. Subway Babe. Now on number 10. Number 20. 20, Tobias. Tobias. Ay. Parang Android. 13 to shoot. Number 20, Tobias. Tobias. Nakalusot. Supply. Now on number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 14, Valenzuela. Pass to number 18 on the side. Pasok. Number 29, Tumpan. 1 minute and 20 para sa ating first quarter. Number 14, pass to number 18. Pass to number 38, Calillo. Pass to Placino on the side again. Back-to-back basket by jersey number 18, 14. Lamang ba rin ang muna ng school side. Number 71, Supply. Number. Number 15, pass to number 38. Back to number 15, Supply. Number 18 on ready. Pass to Big Daddy on the side. Pasok. 10 segundo. 5 seconds to play. Down po, down, not counted. Foul. Number 28, pass to number 5, pass to number 2, pass to number 9. Wala po na number 15, wala pa rin. Tapi na number 9, pass to number 15. Pass. Number 10. Pass to number 15. Easy 2 points by jersey number 15. Batang Danilo. Number 38. And the shoot. Ganda naman nun. Easy 2 points by jersey number 5. Number 2. Pass to number 15. Pass to number 18. Libre. Good for 2 by jersey number 8. Still in favor of team school side. 15-second shot clock. Team to shoot. Number 9. Pass to number 5 na naman. Pasok ulit.
Sir.
5 to shoot. Airball. Number 15, pass to number. Now the number 2. Number 10. Pass to number 15. 5 to shoot. Gandang lusot. Pero wala tapikan ang number 2. Wala ba rin? Shot clock. 2 segundo. 2. Good. Number 5. Pass to number 14. Ganda naman. Good for 2 by number 15. Number 10. Pass to number 2. Pass to number. In and out. Uy! Wag mo namang ipamukha. Number 13. Pass to number 2. Back to number 13. De Los Santos. Nasulatan. Number 15. Pass to number 2. Roman on the side. I got on the side. Namura ka tuloy. Now in De Los Santos. Pass to number 2. Number 2 to Guzman on the running. Number 2. Pass to number 14. What a nice fake by Tony. Pasok pa rin. Number 10. Pass to number 18. Pasok. 2 minutes and 20. Pass to number 18. Favorite shot. Automatic pasok yan. By jersey number 18. Number 1. Pass to number 18. Time to shoot. Number 10. Okay. Tuloy. Number 10. Number 18. 10 to shoot. The rest. Puntos by jersey. 15 to shoot. Number 13, De Los Santos. Shot clock 10. On the side. Supply. Now the number 14. What a nice fake. Pass to number 13, De Los Santos. Pass to number 18. Paso. Number 10, 10 to shoot. For 2. 5 seconds. Uy, pagula. Go for 2. Wala. Ay, tin ba yun? Number 17. Pass to number 18, Dunka. Pass to number 71, Sublime. On to number 5. Number 5 on the running, number 5. Balar, nakagawa ng kanina ko number 18. Number 18, Dunka. Pass to Magtira. Kasawala. Number 28. Number 28, Roy Balimbalag. For 2, number 18, pass to number 15, Guzman. 10 to shoot. Number 71, back to number 15, Sublime. Now to number 28, pass to number 38, Khalil. Pass to number 28, Kandang Luzon. Paso. Number 10. Foul number 17. 5 to shoot. Number 14. Pass number 38, Calilio. Number 28. Pasa ng palayon. Sayang naman. Pero lang natin yung number 14. Po ang kapala ng school side. Number 17, Mancho. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 18, Bukong. Pass to number 71, back to number 18. Basket count and foul committed by number 10. Number 10, Bukong sa malayo. Ras! 9:51, 4-point lead by team school side. Number 9, pass to number 38. 50 to shoot. Pass to number 28, back to number 38, 10 to shoot. Number 38, Calilio, pass to number 9 on the side. Paso. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 15, Guzman. Pass to number 71. Good for 2. Number 38, Calilio, pass to number 28. Pumulong sa malayo. Sublime, kunin number 15, Guzman. Pass to number 10, nakalusot. Kapos, nakunin number 71 on the side. Pass to number 18, Dunka. 10 to shoot, nakalusot na naman. Paso. Flores, pass to Calilio. Back to Flores, 15 to shoot. Back to Calilio on 3. No good. That one number 9. Pass to number. Rest. Puntos by jersey number 4. Number 20. Pass to number 17. Pass to number 71. Pass to number 15. There was one. Supply na pa rin number 15. Wala pa rin. That one number 28. Number 28 behind the back pass to number 38, Calilio pass to number 14, Valenzuela. Paso. Tobias, pass to number. Nasumidan. Pero nakuha niya ang bola yung may tawag. Si Red. What was that? Foul. show, Sublay Bari, now the number 14. Number 5, pass to number 38, Khalil. And the shoot, pass to number 18 on the side, pass to number 9, 5 to shoot. Pinasa sa kalaban. Number 9, pass to number 71. Uy. Number 71. Number number 18, pass to number 14 on the side. Supply. Number number 15, Biggest Mine, pass to number 20, Tobias. Spin low, pass to number 9. Supply. Number 38, pass to number 18. Sir po, number 18. Magandang gabi po sa ating mahal na konsihal, Bopit Kalileo. Baka naman. Chariks lang. Kota na ito ako. Out of bounds. Number 71, pass to number 20. Time to shoot. Number 20. Supply. Number 9, pass to number 15, pass to number 20, pass to number 71. Masyadong malakas. Number 5, pass to number 9, Labanos. Pasok. Number 1, Big Daddy. Pasok. Number 38, Kalilio. Pass to number 5, back to number 38. Pass to number 13, De Los Santos. 5 to shoot. Good for 2. Number 20, 15 to shoot. Umuon sa last samay. What was that? May kapit-bahay naman dito sa ilalim ng lupa. May nagpapa-shoutout dahil. Number 20, Tobias. Pass to number 29, palong-palong sa fly. Nakuha number 38, Kaliliw on the running. Number 38, pass to number 28. Nawalan pala. Number 1, Big Daddy, pass to number 20, Kapilito. Pasok. 10 para sa ating third quarter. 15 to shoot. Isang minuto. 10-second shot clock. Number 5. Pasok. Hasan. Nagtampo tuloy. Number 6 na kasama. Supply. Bawat number 5. Uy, malamig. Pass number 38. Kalilio. Wala. Number 20. Tobias. 30 seconds to play. Number 20 pass to number 29 on the side. Na segundo. Good minute, Video. First show. Sublime. Second show. Pasok. Last show para kay jersey number 38. Sabay! Basa na lang. Number 20, Tobias, pass to number 18, back to number 20. Number 9, Flores, on the side, block. Single. Number 5 is 2 points. Number 6, Dunga, pass to the Gizmo. Number 15, Pasok. Number 18. Good for two by number 18. Number 28, binababa ang bola. Number 28, pass to number 9, Flores, pass to number 15, pass to number 5. Pass to count and foul committed by number. Tirinya. Supply, nako ni number 9. Pass to number 10. 75-65, 10-point lead team school side. Number 10, pass to number 71. Supply, nako ni number 15, Vegas 1. Pasok. Number 28. Setting on the play, number 28, pass to number 9. Labanos on the side, supply. Down to number 15, pass to number 18. Dunga diretso na. Pasok by jersey 75-69, 6-point lead team school side. Number 28, diretso niya sa boy. Tapikan ang number 15. Number 15, harass by 2, and the shoot. Nasa na number 71, pass to number 10. Pasok. Number 71, pass to number 10, pass to, ganda naman. Kaso wala ko pa rin number 9. Supply ko number 15, block. Kuha pa rin ang number 15. Pasok. Batang-bata, school side. 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 38, pass to number 9, 10 to shoot. Tigas mga number 2, pass to Kalilo, number 38, 5 to shoot on the side. No good. Now on number 38. May tawag si rep na pushing. Number 18, pass to number 9, Flores, 10 to shoot. Pass to number 2, back to number 9, 5-second shot clock. What a nice block. Same ball is dribbling. Number 10, 15 to shoot. Pass to number 15, it is fun. The scoring machine supply. Ako pa rin number 15 supply. Pero may tawag na si rep. Foul to me. Nasyo. Sa rep. Side. Number 9, Flores. Sable. Shot. Ano lang? 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Nasundan. Number 71 on the run. Number 71. Makalamang na kaya. Wala ng putek. Sabay. Dawa rin na number 71. Change favor. 76. Reserve po. Number 9. Reserve po. Reserve. Number 5. In and out. Dawa na number 18 on the side. Pass to number 9. Flores. Pumukal sa Des. Putas. Malamangan ako muna ng school side. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Nasundan ni number 15. Number 15 naman dyan ang pass to number 9. Pasok. Number 28. 15 to shoot. Nasundan. Number 10. Pass to number 71. One-on-one situation. Pasok. 87. 15 to shoot. Last 2 minutes. Foul committed by number 9. Number 18, Dunga. Pass to number 15, the scoring machine. Basket count. Ano na? Baka lamang na kaya? Kanina sa akin na. Wala. Nagawa ni number 9 supply. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. The Regina supply. Ganda naman doon. Basket count. And foul committed by number. Bonus shot. Meron. O wala. Pasok. 8th quarter. Number 18, Dunga. Pinilit. nagsumiksik. Paso, 54 seconds. Tama ka lang mangan. Number 1 is school side, 50 seconds remaining time. Number 2, 15 to shoot. Number 28, Bongandilla. Pass to number black. Sa kanya na rin ang bola, din niya sa line. Out of bounds, bola na lang, 14. Number 10, pass to number 18, Dungka. 10 to shoot, number 71. Pass to number 15, the scoring machine, spin on. Signal, number 71, pass to number 15. Signal, number 15. Wala ba yung kunin natin yan? Conversion na number 9. Check, wala lang shot clock. Isa lang ang lawang. Oh, traveling violation. Time out. School side. Wala. Sarap. Sige, palitan ng papalitan. Meron. Oh, wala. Wala pa rin. 5 segundo. 3 segundo, ha? Kapag na-receive ang darang bola. 2 segundo. End. Ay, hindi pala end. OT po tayo. OT. Number 2, pass to number 38, pass to number 14, back to number 38, pass to number 2 to Guzman. Nasundan ako ni number 71. Number 71, pass to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 18, Dungka. Nasundan ako ni number 15, pass to number 2. Number 2 to Guzman, number 2, pass to number 15. Paso. 87-85. Number 18, Dungka, pass to number 20, pass to number 15, Supply. Traveling violation by jersey number 9. 38, 15 to shoot. Number 71. Number 71, pass to number 20, Tobias. Back to number 71, pass to number 18, Dungka. Pumakaw sa grass, Supply. Number 38. Sakit, Rat. Number 14, pass to number 15, on the side, Supply. Number 71, nasundan doon na naman noon. What a nice pick. Automatic. Astro. Paso. 87-86. Isang kalamangan ng kupunan ng school side. 3 minutes and 30 para sa ating OT. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 38, Calvin Villas Saploy. Ako ni number 15. Nasundan. Ako ni number 14. Hindi makita. Number 2, the Guzman. Pass to number 5. Paso. Number 20, Tobias. Pass to number 18. Back to number 20. Pass to number 18, Dungka. Small. Number 2, nasundan ni number 20, pass to number 18. Number 18, number 90, number 18, Diranya Supply. Number 2, pass to number 38, back to number 2, nasundan. Number 2, out. And number 9, in. Number 15, pass to number 5. Number 38, Kalilio. Number 38, that one, number 15, on the side. Paso. Last 2 minutes. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 to shoot. Nasa na. Pass to number 38. Oh, committed by number 50. First row. Okay po. Samoy. Sabat. Number 10, pass to number 10, pass to number 18, buka po mula sa ganas sa line. Number 38, pass to number 9. Number 14, pass to number 28, pass to number 38, in the shoot. Number 42, number 38. Number 71, Sublime.
Hindi nga ako.
Number 71, Sublime. William. Number 14 on the side, 5 to shoot. Number 14,